Where you going? Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, sadly, the car is off the road. If you saw my Instagram and Snapchat, the fix I did is still slowly leaking fuel. So it's booked in to go to the garage. I was just looking at it there, that's where it's leaking. That corner. It's booked in to go to the garage on Wednesday. So today we have got some parts to fit. And I may wash the car just because I've got nothing else really to do today. But so my mum's gonna help me push the car around the back.
Oh, no, not on film.
I can't move it because of the gravel.
You're gonna have to rock it.
Yeah.
Really. Next one.
There we go.
Jesus Christ. You're having a laugh. Get Lucy down here.
Hey?
Get Lucy down here. I'll probably die now. Get one over.
No, it's going back. That was a struggle. Lucy had to give us a hand as well. But yeah, we're here. So basically, first thing I'm going to do is change these lights to the new ones that I got. Come in. Hello. You a good girl? That was a really long meow. You gonna go see the car? Badger's looking good. What do you think? Yeah, you like it? That's good. So this is the stuff I got. That's the bulb. The new bulb that works. I sent the old ones back. And then we got some pipes to fit as well. These, I believe, are the boost hose replacements. And then that's the oil breather hose, or the PCV hoses. These hoses apparently are known to split, can cause some leaks. I thought I'll just get a new set. But this is the diagram that we got. So I know that one of them is 5. That one's right at the top and it's really easy. I think it's number 4. So I got to basically follow that down until we get to a 90-degree angle. I say let's just go give it a go. And I mean, it's just replacing hoses, so it should only be like an hour's job, if that. But I guess this video and this day won't be ending until about 6 o'clock. Right, I'm putting this hat on so that I can get a like first-person perspective from the GoPro. No, I never really wear hats, so I look a bit like a melt. Alright, I'm turning this on. Where the fuck is it? There it is. Now. So that should be recording. I have no idea what it can see though, so I'm going to take a picture. Look, you get a first person perspective into my bag of shit. Alright, let's put these lights in first. This is the hardest light to change because of that. Like the cold air feed. It literally just goes to there. And what even is that? I don't even know what that little plastic bit is, but it's right in the way and really inconvenient. Obviously try not to touch the bulb just in case I need it. Oh, it's bent. I fucking bent it, didn't I, when I put it back in? Hopefully I bent it back when I did that. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go put the light on to see if that actually lights up. Okay, why is that not on? Oh, right, okay, so it needs to make a circuit. Okay. Yeah, cool, it works. Pretty bright. There we go, that's in. Alright, let's do the other one. Actually, no, I've got to put that thing back on. Alright, let's do a little comparison now. I mean, I was expecting like a white light, but I think you can tell that they're slightly brighter because that, compared to that, I don't, oh, what the hell. I was expecting that to be like a white / blue, like the same, I was expecting it to be the same colour as the halos. Fuck no, let's just draw a massive dick on the light. Okay, so I just got to show you what I just fucking found. So, done that light, come over here, do this, and what the hell is a pen doing down here? I have dropped some really weird things into my engine bay, but I cannot explain the pen. I do not ever remember dropping a pen. I mean, I don't chew pens, so unless my car has done that, or unless someone has just randomly placed a pen in my engine bay, I don't know how the hell that got there. We had success, but my hair is now a mess. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed. I thought that they were fucking blue. Not blue, but like white. Like, where's the packet? I'll show you. The fucking bulb was actually blue, but it's just yellow again. So I'm a little bit pissed off at that, but if it makes it brighter and I can actually see, then that'll do, but we'll see. Well, I can't even remember where I got to, but basically, these are the new hoses that we got. I just got black because, I mean, they're not fancy. They did come in fancy colour, like red or blue, but I'm going for black and copper. So I just thought it'd be best to go to black. And we're also in the middle of trying to remove the secondary air injection pump. Got rid of all the the piping's down there. And I've got to there and I can't, for the life of me, get rid of that piping there. Oh, breather hose is now off as well. That went there. And look at all that gunk. I think that's what I was talking about with the short journeys, but I'm not sure. I may have to look that up. But look inside that. Is that just short journeys? I need you guys to tell me. One of you 1.8 turbo guys. What's that yellow shit in your breather hose? What does that mean? Okay, it's the next morning and we are getting stuff done. You're back to the GoPro cam, so I'm going to slip it on my head quick. But I just wanted to show you. I sort of woke up and I was like, right. So I read into this. To remove the secondary air pump, the bit that goes back into the engine, you're going to need to move a coolant hose, so you'll lose quite a bit of coolant. Last night I was like, oh, I really don't want to do this because it's like, I'm going to fuck it up. But this morning I was like, right, I'm going to do it. I can't go back now because I've taken everything off, snapped some bits, so I'm just going to go all the way with it. I tried to catch some coolant. I managed to catch that much coolant. All of this came off. I had to move. This is what you need to undo if you're doing this. That's the secondary, that's the coolant pipe that you need to undo to get to this, because there's a bolt. That bolt was in that guy's way. No, that pump was in that way, so you need to undo that and take that off, and then this is it. Then you just plug it with the blanking plate from Forge or wherever you want to go. So I'm going to do that now. So this metal thing, that is what we're getting rid of. So this is the last bolt. I don't know how much you can see. I'm sorry about this gammy pipe. It's like yellow and disgusting, I don't know why. If it's just short journeys then it's fine, but because that's where the coolant goes, you lose quite a bit, and I need to refill my whole coolant thing because it's just gone. Cool, and there we go. Do I need to unplug anything from it? What is plugged into it? I'm going to get back to you guys once I've done this. Alright, we're pretty much done. I just sort of like put my head down and started working on that. This is currently what my engine bay looks like. That's the combi valve. I took off all of that, a load of oil, coolant came out, and then cut some of the wires, took that off, and then as I was pulling it out, there is one wire left, or one like pipe left, which runs down to that one. I don't know if you can see that there, which then runs along to that metal tube, which then looks like it goes into the throttle body. Just posted in one of the forums and I'm now waiting on a reply. Coolant hose is back on, so that's all good. Done that back on. I already said that a million times. Forge blanking plate is on, you can see it down there. So I found out that the leftover pipe, which is here, this one that I've now taped this to, that needs to go over to that pipe. Yeah, that pipe there. That's where it ran anyway, so you're not actually deleting that part, you're just putting it back through. And then you just reconnect everything. So let's go, you're going to watch me reconnect everything in fast motion. I think we may be done, boys. Let's go have a look, I'll show you what I've done. Everything looks like it's connected back to something. And we replaced all the hoses. No more plate there, which makes it a lot easier if you're going to be doing anything down there. I'm leaving the pump in. The pump's like actually in. I haven't taken it out because there's a bolt which I just can't get to. I tried it before, but everything's unplugged from it and everything's like dealt with. So that's just sort of sitting there, and then I'll try and get rid of it another day. These new pipes, they're in. I rerouted this to the back there. Yeah, and then I fit this. That was the other hose. That literally just there. So once like all of this shit is out the way, that you can easily get to. These here, I need to get some electric tape. I couldn't find any, but I think that's it. That is because I kind of bodged. Oh no, wait, shit, we need to change this about because they shouldn't. I'm now going to directly just do this quick. The FPR straight to the inlet pipe that it is in already, and then I'm going to wire, or I'm going to tee the diverter valve for the boost gauge into the new. There's another nipple somewhere. Free the nip. There was a nip free, which that's going into now. So yeah, sweet. And then that'll be done. There we go. That's now linked with that going in. Yeah, so the diverter valve is getting the T-piece for the boost gauge, and then the FPR is just running straight into that new nip. Sweet, done. That's it. This is what we've deleted. All of this stuff we don't need, which is good. Weight reduction, yo. All gone. And now we've got less in the engine bay. Apart from that, I still need to get rid of that pump. There we go. That's the final thing, and hopefully come Wednesday morning I can turn it on and it will drive me to the garage. I've also got a new sticker which has got to go in the 1.8T, so I'm going to put that on in a sec. Damn it, now I wish I did that the opposite way, because the smaller would look better. I'm not sure, to be honest. I might put it the other side, like that maybe. Or I could put it on the back, but I don't know, I don't really like stickers on the back. I like it on the side. I might just put it on top of mine. I'll put it there and I'll find a little sticker to go there or something. Alright, here we go. Boom. That looks sick. I like that. Also, if any of you guys ordered one of my stickers, it has been sent off, so it should be with you in the next few days. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully the car starts, like I said, Wednesday. And now, but it looks right. It looks alright. We've got all the pipes on. We did everything that we were meant to do. And now I'm just going to go edit this video and hope that it goes up in 2 hours, which I don't think it will. But we'll try it anyway. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.